Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to exchange Rev Points for cash on Revolut. All right, let's begin. Now, first off, open up your Revolut account and sing into your account. Once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your home screen right here. So to exchange your Rev Points for cash, you would need to go to the Rev Points tab right here in the bottom right corner. And here on this Rev Points exchange menu, depending on your country, you would be able to see a gift cards option. So because I'm not in the eligible country, I don't have that option. But if you are, you would be able to see your gift cards right here. So what you would need to do is just tap on gift cards and then search for a gift card that allows you to convert your gift card balance into cash. So this can depend on each gift card seller. Now on the gift card section, you can find different gift cards from Uber to Amazon, etc., etc. And then you can exchange your Rev Points for a gift card. And from there, you can exchange the gift card for cash. So at the moment, that's the only way of exchanging your Rev Points for cash, and that's it. So that's basically how you can exchange Rev Points for cash on Revolut. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.